Dang, I can hear a tornado alarm. Um, there's a tornado touching down and there's a tornado touching down in our county. Like, look in the sky. Um, let me go. I can hear the sirens. Like, look. See? Get around here. It's like coming north. It's like coming that way. It might be a tornado touchdown where I might live, so wish me the best of luck. Dang, look at those. Oh, I just saw lightning. Um, I saw lightning. I'm going on my porch. I don't give a crap. Okay. Okay, I think the tornado siren is done. Like, look over there. Oh, shoot. The clouds are moving pretty fast. Dang. And in our county, where I live at, it's like, I live like near Dubstep Jaguar, if you go onto his video. He said, his friend said that we live in Indiana, which I do, by the way. And, look at this. It's insane. There will be tornado touchdown. There's a tornado touchdown somewhere, like, in another county that I heard on news. I'm not nervous or anything because we have a basement, but like look at those. Dang. Like, okay. There's people outside just walking. Like, just running. There's just people outside running. Like, what the heck? I'm going around here. Oh, and they're lightning. Might strike that thing right there. Let's get on here. Look at this. Dang. It's not even hailing at the other county. Tornado touched down there. And they said there might be a tornado touchdown here. A tornado touchdown. Like, oh, there's the moon. Oh, look how fast it's moving. Wait, is that a funnel cloud? Look, see that cloud that I'm showing? That looks like a funnel cloud. Oh, there's just a firefly. I wouldn't be out here. You know how I can know there will be a lot of rain? Is that the trees branches are like upside down, like, see. Well, I'll end it here. I'll see you around, guys.